Hello students, now I am going to continue the chapter Similarity of 10th standard, and the concept is the theorem of area of similar triangles. So when we are given the two similar triangles, then the ratio of area of these two triangles is equal to the ratio of squares of their corresponding side. This is the statement for this theorem. So see, when two triangles are similar, then the ratio of areas of those triangles is equal to the ratio of squares of their corresponding sides. So these two triangles are given. Now you are given that is ABC is similar to XYZ. So your given statement is ABC similar triangle XYZ. Now what we have to prove? If we take the ratio of area of these two triangles, that is area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle XYZ, then it is equals to the ratio of squares of their sides, that is AB square upon XY square, BC square upon YZ square, and AC square is equals AC square upon XZ square. So these all ratios are equal. That is we have to prove. Now see the construction, just we are going to draw the perpendicular. So AD is perpendicular to BC and XT is perpendicular to YZ, such that B dash D dash C and Y dash T dash Z. Now see the first statement, that is area of triangle ABC and area of if we take the ratio of triangle ABC, area of triangle ABC and area of triangle XYZ. So you learn the first statement in this chapter, that is the ratio of area of two triangles is equals to the ratio of product of their bases and corresponding height. So the base of the first triangle is BC and height is AD. So BC into AD. Similarly the base is YZ into XT. So this one is the reason. That is the ratio of area of two triangles is equal to the ratio of product of their bases and corresponding height. Now just we going to separate this. We just going to separate these ratios. So we write the BC upon YZ into, we separate this term from this one, AD upon XT. So both statements are same, just we going to separate these two terms. So the reason for this one is from 1 we have to take this statement. The statement is almost same. Now we are given that is both the triangles are similar. So ABC is similar to XYZ. So this one is the given, and you learn that is when the triangles are similar, their angles are congruent and sides are in proportion. So angle B is congruent with angle Y. So the angle B is congruent with this angle Y. The reason is CAST, that is corresponding angles of similar triangles. And similarly I already told that is the sides are in proportion. So AB upon XY, BC upon YZ and AC upon XZ. So what is the reason? That is corresponding sides of similar triangles. I repeat, corresponding sides of similar triangles. So in these two triangles we already show this, and now we're going to take the next two triangles, that is ABD and XYT. See, ABD and XYT. So in previous statement, see here, we already show that is B is congruent with Y, means this angle and this angle is already congruent, and you clearly see that is this one is the 90 degree, means this angle is also 90 and this angle is also 90, means both the triangles will be similar by A test. So see here, angle ABD is congruent with angle XYT. See, ABD is congruent with XYT. So it is already proved in statement number 4. So the reason is statement number 4. Now the next one, that is angle ADB. See here, angle ADB is congruent with angle XTY. Why? It is 90 degree. So see here, that is ABD ADB is congruent with angle XTY. So the reason is each 90 degree. So we show here that is both the triangles are congruent. Two pairs of angles we already prove that they are congruent. So these two triangles are similar by AA test. So triangle ABD is similar with triangle XYT. The reason is AA test. And we already know that if the two triangles are similar, then their sides are in proportion. So we prove here that is AB upon XY. Next AD upon XT. So reason is CSST, that is corresponding sides of similar triangles. Now see, there are two statements like this one, that is CSST, that is corresponding sides of similar triangles. See the statement number 5 and 9. Yes, in these two statements we see that is the first ratio is AB upon XY, this also AB upon XY. So all these three ratios and these two ratios, total 5 ratios are equal, because here both the ratios are same, means ये दोनों भी उसके बराबर है और ये भी उसके बराबर है, मीन्स ये 5 जो है दैट इज 3 प्लस ये 2, एक्चुअली ये 1 ही है बिकॉज ये दोनों कॉमन है. सो ऑल दिस रेशियोज आर नाउ इक्वल. सो we can write this like this one, that is we take this AB upon XY commonly here. AB upon XY is equals to BC upon YZ is equals to AC upon XZ and is equals to AD upon XT. Means all these 4 ratios, 5 means here both are same, so we take right here only for one time. So all these 4 ratios are now same, and this comes from statement number 5 and statement number 9. Now see, what is the meaning of this one? All these ratios are same means here BC upon YZ is nothing but AD upon XT, and in first statement we write it, that is BC upon YZ into AD upon XT, but here we clearly prove that BC upon YZ means AD upon XT. मीन्स हमें ये डबल लिखने की ज़रूरत नहीं है, इसके बावजूद मीन्स AD अपॉन XT रिमूव करके हम BC अपॉन YZ भी लिख सकते हैं, क्योंकि BC अपॉन YZ is equals to AD upon XT here. And so we are going to remove this, and I again write here the statement number 2, and just we removing the statement, removing this AD upon XT, and by removing this and rewriting we get here, that is area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle LHS is same, area of triangle XYZ is equals to BC upon YZ upon into BC upon YZ. So instead of writing AD upon XT we write here BC upon YZ. So it comes from statement number 2 and 10. So see here 2 and the statement number 10. So instead of writing AD upon XT we write BC upon YZ. And so now we take the product of these two. So what we get? So area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle XYZ is equals to BC square upon YZ square. And similarly we can prove that the remaining ratios, the square side ratio of squares of the sides, they are also equal. So there is no necessity to prove it again. सिर्फ किसी एक साइड को हम प्रूव करके दिखा सकते हैं. So this is all about the theorem of area of similar triangle. Now we are going to start the practice set 1.4. First I am taking the second example. First example we see afterwards. So in triangle ABC, sorry, you have given that is triangle ABC is similar with triangle PQR. ये दोनों भी triangle हमें similar दिए हैं. So हमें ये याद रखना है कि whenever the two triangles are similar, their sides are in proportion and their area is, that is the ratio of area of these two triangles is equal to the ratio of squares of their corresponding sides. So here we are given that is AB is to PQ is equals to 2 is to 3. Then we have to fill the blanks. So area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQR. So we are given that is AB square. So what will be the remaining fill in the blank, that is AB square upon, so here first second here taken, so here also we take first second, that is PQ, so PQ square. So ये कैसे याद रखना है, ये फर्स्ट मेंबर और सेकंड मेंबर हमने लिया है, तो यहाँ पर भी हम फर्स्ट एंड सेकंड लेंगे AB square upon PQ square. सो अब हमें ए बी दिया है, दैट इज 2, सो वी पुट हियर 2 स्क्वायर, सिंस देयर इज अ स्क्वायर, सो 2 स्क्वायर अपॉन 3 स्क्वायर, पी क्यू इज 3. So what is the answer? 2 square is 4 and 3 square is 9. And question number second and third are almost similar. So if triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR, so here we are given the similar triangles and we are given the area of triangle ABC is 80 and area of triangle PQR is 125. मीन्स हमें अभी एरिया दिए हैं दोनों के, दोनों ट्रायंगल के. Then fill in the blanks. So this one is the statement given in your textbook, but इसे कैसे सॉल्व करना है ये मैंने नीचे प्रूव करके दिया है. So area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQR. So we taking the ratio. So we know that is whenever the triangles are similar, so by the theorem of area of similar triangle, you know that is the ratio of area of those triangles is equals to the ratio of squares of their corresponding sides. So here we write that is AB square first second and here we first second PQ square, AB square upon PQ square. So you know this. The reason is by the theorem of area of similar triangles, since these two triangles are similar. Now we are given that is 80 upon 125. So divide the both sides by 5. So we'll get 16 upon 25 AB square upon PQ square. So we have to remove this square. So taking the square root, the answer we have here we are get that is AB square is equals to AB square upon PQ square is equals to 16 upon 25. So taking square root we get AB upon PQ and then we have to fill this blank, that is AB upon PQ is equals to 4 upon 5. ये डायरेक्ट आंसर मैंने लिखा था, लेकिन वो कैसे आया है ये मैंने यहाँ पे एक्सप्लेन करके दिया है. So this is all about the question number second and third of the practice set 1.4. The remaining examples we will see in the next lecture. Thank you.